Hi, my name is Diana, aka Rice Kitty. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Tips and tricks that I like to use is on my clients to make sure your gel lasts longer is I like to use the Bond-Aid from OPI. It dehydrates your nails after you finish prepping to make sure your gel lasts longer. Another pro tip that I like to do is I like to double coat my client's gel just to make sure it lasts longer, because when you go to vacations or anything, you kind of throw your luggage everywhere and then packing and everything, so your hands or your nails take a toll. So I like to just double coat the top coat just for extra strength and protection. I like to shake the bottle too, just to make sure all the pigment. Actually, I like to shake it like this for some reason. Yeah, just to make sure everything mixes well. I like to shake it up for I don't know, a minute. And then yeah, you should be set to go to paint. Another tip that I like to do is when I do get to the part where I'm painting on the client's nail, I like to start kind of midway on the client's nail, and then after I just kind of paint and kind of push the product up kind of towards the cuticle, so then the gel doesn't overflow the cuticles. What's cool about gel is that if you saw that you kind of missed a spot on the side walls, you could always go back in with gel and paint it on the side just to perfect the coverage of your nail. Another tip that I like to do while I'm painting my client's nail is that when I'm holding a bottle, I like to place my finger either on the bottle or another finger just to help balance my hand. Because sometimes you don't want to be painting your client's nails and be all shaky. What I like to do is just place my pinky in one of my fingers, my middle finger or the bottle. Use that as a stand to help paint your nails. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much OPI for having me here. And I hope you guys find my tips and tricks helpful, and hopefully you guys are able to find something you're truly passionate about as I did with nails, and best of luck.